welcome back, guys. So as you can see, we already got the truck done. So it took us about a week, or a little over a week to paint it, just because we did the base coat and then it rained for a couple of days, and then after that we did the pearls, and then rained another couple more days, and then we did the clear coat. About like maybe a week and a half or so to do everything. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the trailer and go pick up the new build. I got both the terminals replaced because they were crusty, especially the positive one. Even this little bracket thing is pretty corroded. I accidentally dropped the one terminal down there that I cut off. There it is. But I'll be moving it over here to the open space so I can wash it and show you guys the damage. By the looks of it, I don't know too much about like Subaru upgrades and stuff, but I'm pretty sure that's not stock. So it's the next day here. We have the STI unloaded. We have it on all fours because we need to change the tires. We have 2 tires on the other side that are blown out. It has like holes on the sidewalls. We're gonna get that changed right now, but we're first gonna talk about the damage. So this side you can kind of see how it'll look afterwards, minus the wheel in the back. In the front, we just need like a front bumper, grill. The hood has like some damage. I don't know if it's from like a tree or something, or like he hit a tree and this is from like the branches, because what else would scrape it?
Also a headlight.
Yeah, we need a new headlight. Don't know if we're gonna go with stock or aftermarket. Maybe stock just because we already have one. So front bumper, fender. You think that'll buff out?
For sure.
Real quick. Give it this little spit and shine.
Put some Bondo in it, call it a day.
Yeah, you already know. Oh, just use Bondo on all this?
Yeah.
Body filler?
Yeah, for sure.
Damn, stinks. So we do have damage to the door. I'm missing rocker panel. The door's open fine. So there isn't really any damage to
any structural damage.
So like A pillar, B pillar, C pillar.
No airbags.
Yeah, no airbags blew out. That's good.
The windshield is good.
Can we open this door? Yeah, we can open this door normal. It's the back seat. Look, they even got the best smelling one.
Impreza.
Person.
So there's some damage here that we'll have to pull out and basically straighten out as best as we can, and then fill it. But we'll try getting it as perfect as we can before we do that.
Exactly. New.
We're gonna need a new bumper. Well, rear bumper.
Seems like this came out and then in the air.
Maybe a new tail light.
We have damage in the rear bumper. This kind of like flaps open and it's broken right there. Same thing with this side. But anyways, plastic, how would you even fix that?
Yeah.
Plastic wheel? I don't know. But besides on this side, everything is perfect.
Yeah, this side is perfect.
Yeah, just looking at it, damn, that's nice. You think these are Primos or? I don't really know if they're like Brembo brand, but it says STI. We're kind of new to the STI forum, so like, if any of you guys like know anything about STIs, just comment below.
And that's purple wheels.
Yeah, you think purple wheels would look weird? Like if someone were to tell you, I'm going to buy purple wheels for my car, but if you look at it on here, it actually looks pretty nice.
Yeah, with it being white. Once we get it cleaned up, well, first we're gonna get the tires changed.
Yeah, we're gonna get that done. And the roof is black, but I think it's just a wrap.
Yeah, I believe so. So we're gonna go get the tires changed?
Yeah, we're gonna get the tires changed. tires in, and we just finished washing it up. We removed all the stickers that were on the windshield. There's still a bunch of like little white residue from the white sticker, but that happens every time.
Yeah, it'll come off. Forgot to take this one out. Legendary.
I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest.
Yeah.
Sorry if the guy watches this.
Yeah.
Or girl.
Or girl.
Yeah, you never know.
Almost buffed out during the wash.
Almost, bro. I think you didn't put enough elbow grease. That's what it was.
Didn't scrub it hard enough.
Yeah, I'm not used to this car being so low. I'm kind of used to trucks. But right now, we didn't really clean in the interior, just because our cousin has the shop vac. But once we get it back, we'll clean the interior. We're actually gonna take it for a little test drive and see how that goes.
Oh, automatic rolling windows. Just kidding. Damn, this thing moving slow. There must be a little bit dirty something in there.
Dirty, we just cleaned it.
Oh, like there's dirt in there.
We moving. All the way. People heard the little turbo whine, the little blow valve. So far, driving fine. Oh yeah, gotta clean those brakes. Yeah, that's because the other one, we don't have that the one tire on. Yeah, sir. There's another little project. That one needs a transmission. Don't know if we're gonna rebuild the transmission or buy a new one, buy a used one. We'll see. We'll see what the price says. We'll see if the bank hurting or not. Yeah, it's so crusty in here. He's got like a rosary. Don't know, should we hang that up? No. Let's get a different one. And then this thing too. Came off when I was driving. Yeah. What tarnish?
Well, actually pretty quick. We should have to get that wheel.
Get that wheel fixed. But that'll be it for this video.